which of 10 NMNL solution is? Good job. Your answer 6 works well here. The phase scale is arranged from. Excellent. So 14 is a brilliant choice. A fetch and a po will add up to. Solid response. 14 is a valid choice. The FEF of water at 20 Fock is nearly. Right again. Sen is a valid answer. The solution with the lowest fee is. Clear logic? Your choice 1.0 is sound and 100% true. Ionic product of water increases if. Smart pick. Temperature is increased is the correct choice. pH can be kept constant with help of. You chose buffer solution, and it is correct. Which of the following is a weak acid? Perfect. AF is the correct choice. An aqueous solution of SH3 Kuna will be. You're right. Alkaline is the correct answer. According to Bronsted law, water is a gun. Correct. Acid and base both is the right answer. Of the following, which is the strongest acid? Well picked. Heclo4 is the correct answer. 8.1 solution of dash will have a pH of 7 Nu. Smart move. Nara is an accurate answer. A dash is a substance with a pH less than 7. Excellent choice. Acid is the right answer. On increasing temperature, change in Po and fish. Strong choice. Decreases is the right answer. A solution whose pH value is less than 7 will be. On track. Acidic is the correct answer. In the titration equation M1V1 equal to M2V2, what is M? Sharp thinking. Concentration is the right choice. What is the only substance with a neutral pH of 7? Well done. Water is the right choice. If a solution has of 9.3 x 1011, what is the phi? 0.0 is the accurate answer. If the pH of a solution is 7, the solution is said to be. Exactly. Neutral makes sense, and it is right choice. If a solution has a Po of 5.2, the solution is. Correct response, 6.6 mem is the most accurate answer. A chemical used to show the end point of titration is called. Good thinking. Indicator is the right answer. According to Bronsted-Lowry concept, base is a substance which is. Valid point. A proton acceptor is true. If quarks of a saturated solution of Batu is 12, the value of its CASP. Bravo. 4.6 with is the answer. If the of a solution is 2.7 x 10⁴ molgal, the Po of the solution is. You got it. Your choice 3.56 is right. If the of a solution is 6.8 x 10 mm, the phi is. Great thinking. 7.1 sin is the right choice. Which of the following could participate in the common ion effect with NaF? Nice selection. HF is the correct and valid answer. Ammonia gas dissolves in water to give match 4. In this reaction, water acts as. Nicely done. An acid is a solid answer. Sodium fluoride is added to a 10 mF solution. You would expect the phi to. Right choice. Increase slightly is the best answer. If acetic acid is mixed with sodium acetate, then H+ ion concentration will be. Well reasoned. Remain unchanged is the correct choice. The solubility of a substance in a solvent is the concentration in dash solution. Nice work. You chose saturated solution and it is correct. Molar solubility is the number of dash of the substance per liter of the solution. Clear logic. Your choice moles is sound and 100% true. If a solution has a Po of 5.2, that of the solution is. Solid response, 6.3 x 10·6 is a valid choice. pH of now solution is 13. The amount of now present in 400 ml of the aqueous solution is. Well done. 1. Shish is the right choice. What is the equilibrium expression for the solubility product of the following salt? L3. Well picked. Gain equal top is the correct answer.
For a 500 ml solutions that contains 0.25 mol nitric acid NO3, calculate the phi of the solution.
Nicely done. 1.3 is a solid answer. Complete the sentence. A substance that is more basic has a dash than a substance that is acidic. Valid point. Higher is true. Calculate the solubility of calcium phosphate for 32. Given Cas-P for Ca32 equal to 1.2 x 10·26. You chose 8.0 x 10 for a gal, and it is correct. Calculate the dissociation constant of 0.01 mensch nitrous acid No. Given that the phi of the solution is 2.67. Smart move, 0,006 is an accurate answer. The salt shown below is. Right again. Basic is a valid answer. What is this piece of apparatus called? You're right. Burette is the correct answer. What is the conjugate base in the following reaction? Nice selection. Cl is the correct and valid answer. What is the FET of the solution at the equivalence point? T? Correct, 5.3 is the right answer. Which acid-base pair produce the titration curve shown below? Or? Excellent choice. Check 3Q plus Co is the right answer. How you will get all these quiz questions in PDF books format. Right choice. Contact Narayan Chengda is the best answer.